Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you can complete the change. Sign into a local administrator account or create one now so you don't lose access. Back up your desktop, documents, and any app-specific data. This prevents accidental loss. Next, sign out of OneDrive and unlink the device from your Microsoft account so sync stops. Once done, note the Microsoft account email and any recovery options. Make sure you have password or verification access because you'll need them during the next steps. You now perform the core account switch. Open Settings, navigate to Accounts, and go to your info. Choose Sign in with Allocal account instead, follow the verification prompts, and create a local username and password. Make sure to disconnect Microsoft services, Mail, Store, and Teams by signing out within each app. Once you confirm the local account works, go to Family and Other Users and remove the Microsoft-linked user profiles. This prevents the account from reconnecting or reappearing on sign-in screens. Finish by removing any remaining references. Settings right arrow email and accounts right arrow access work or school. Remove the Microsoft account entries. Then, log in as the local admin, and after confirming everything works, delete the old profile folder in C/users to free space. If removal fails, reboot into safe mode and try again, or recreate a local admin and then remove the linked account. This resolves permission blocks. If you get locked out, use your recovery info to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.